You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.